Looking at LinkedIn real quick. I don't see us as live on LinkedIn.
Yeah, I don't see on YouTube also, like your personal channel. Oh yeah, you are live. You are live on your personal channel.
I think we are live on LinkedIn as well, but I don't see the stream activity. This is a dry run for when we do
Oh,
an event
I
with
see
more
a
people.
post. Yeah, I see a
Hey!
post. Yeah,
Oh,
you're
that's a
live.
good-looking post. Oh, I love this. I love this. Okay, cool. All right. Well, to those of you in the past, I guess, welcome to our stream. I hope that people do end up watching this because it's going to be pretty cool. So what Amit and I are going to do today is we're going to live code together, and we're going to live code the way everybody live codes these days, which is with AI and autocompletion and copilots and stuff. So the plan is we're going to build a React app with TypeScript because that's my favorite full stack web stack. And actually, this isn't even going to be a full stack app. It's just going to be a front end that you run locally. But the plan is we're going to make a program that allows you to edit your own Minecraft texture packs. So these are basically themes you can add to Minecraft to make the Minecraft world look different. The reason we're doing this is because there's a special texture pack that Amit and I want to make for another reason, but I'll let that be a surprise what we're actually going to do with that. But okay, so let me share my screen and introduce to you what a texture pack is, and then we're just going to start. So we'll start the way that all good POCs should start, which I think will be the most minimal effort to validate that this is even possible. So my plan is we'll download an already made texture pack and we'll make the tiniest manual modification to it, and we'll see if we can load that into Minecraft. And if that all works, then we should be able to start writing a program that can do the exporting and have some pixel art editing for us and stuff. It'll all happen in our browser. So why should you stick around? Well, stick around if you want to hang out with us, and also if you want to generally see a stack come together with React and TypeScript and local browser storage, and maybe just watching to see how senior engineers do vibe coding. So, okay, let's get into this. All right, so I'll share my screen. Yes. And let's search for Minecraft texture pack. Okay. So what is a Minecraft texture pack? It basically okay, it can do this. So like here's the base game for Minecraft. Here's what it looks like, and then you can see like there's these wood beams on this house, and then there's these lanterns, and there's this brick. Okay, this isn't exactly the same image. It looks like half the image is with the texture pack and half isn't. Anyway, so here's what the wood looked like in the base Minecraft, and then here's what wood looks like with this texture pack. So, I mean, honestly, this wood looks a little nicer. I mean, I personally like the vanilla texture pack for Minecraft just because it's nostalgic, but, you could make Minecraft look a lot nicer by giving it some themes. So the way people build these texture packs is they basically go and edit the images. So here is, what is this? Oh, wow. This is a desktop client that will do exactly what I want to do, but with React. Anyway, so there's these images, and you can go in and you can go edit the pixels on this image, and then you can load those into Minecraft, and suddenly all the blocks will look like this. The example they're showing would totally disorient me. Like, this is a block that glows in the game, and it's all yellow, which makes sense because it's a light source, and they're making it dark colors. Like, that's honestly weird, but cool. Yeah. So yeah, I like this interface that they have. So what do they have here? It looks like, man, I wish we could pause this GIF. Oh, we can. They have, oh no, we can't. Look at that. placing their blocks in the game. Okay, so it looks like they have on their sidebar a bunch of blocks that you can click on and edit. So I kind of want to have a sidebar like that has options for all the available blocks in the game. And then if you click on one of those options, it'll open up like a pixel editor that you can use. And I want to be able to upload I want to be able to like drag and drop in our own images too, not just require you to draw these things by hand. So that's the plan. All right, Amit, what questions do you have?
No, we are good to go. I mean, this is awesome.
All right. Let's get a texture pack. Planet Minecraft is the place to be. Is Planet Minecraft safe? Of course it is. Planet Minecraft is this community site where people can share like skins and texture packs and worlds that they built. You can go download and play them. So there's probably a texture pack that we can download here for reference. So, okay, yeah, texture pack. We can have any texture pack you want. Any of them. Demon's Nation of Realism, 512 photorealistic blocks. Nah. Yeah, actually, how do you do HD texture packs? It'd be cool if ours could be HD. Do you need to mod Minecraft to do HD texture packs? No, you don't need to mod it. Minecraft supports resource packs, which are essentially texture packs, and they can be installed without using mods. These resources can contain textures at various resolutions, including HD. Oh, is that true? Let's test this out. So here's let's grab this HD texture pack, because if we can do this HD texture pack, I think I would rather do a higher resolution texture pack with the idea that I have in my head. But in the past, I know you had to mod Minecraft in order to have more than like 16 by 16 pixel resolution on blocks. Maybe it was either 16 by 16 or 32 by 32. Actually, I forget. Anyway, let's see. Direct download base pack. All right. You're about to leave Planet Minecraft to this unsafe website called GitHub. Continue to download. Wow. I really hope there's no viruses in this texture pack. I used to download all kinds of junk when I played Minecraft on my PC before I really knew how computers work, and one day our computer just like froze because there was so much. It's probably, I assume it was malware. Okay, let's go to downloads. Let's make a new folder called Minecraft. There. Do that. All right, what do we got? Here is what I downloaded. It looks like I don't think I can make Finder any bigger. Anyway, so there's this folder called assets, and in assets there's a folder called Minecraft, and then there's textures, and there's block, and here are a whole bunch of textures for Minecraft. This is encouraging. These are literally just PNG files that are 512 by 512 pixels. So here, when I opened this, it like took it off screen. Okay, yeah. So here's a texture. That is so much more HD than Minecraft. the base textures. Okay, so my plan is, I mean, honestly, okay, yeah, we could honestly do this by hand. Like we could just come in here and modify one of these images ourselves. Let's do that right now. So, opening up Minecraft. I mean, I'm just monologuing. I want some dialogue from you.
I was looking at like Hassam joined us, so he's in private chat, so I was just looking at how can I
is he heckling us?
Yeah,
I'm just kidding. Can you hear the music that I hear? Like, does the stream share the Minecraft music?
No.
All right. Oh, Hassam's like in the stream. Hassam, welcome to the stream.
Oh, hello. You added me? Hey.
Can you guys, I don't really know how monitoring the chat works, so can you kind of keep an eye on the chat in case someone joins us? And
Yeah, for sure.
Cool. Okay, so here's the Minecraft title page. So let's go to options, resource packs, open pack folder, recents.
Downloads probably. Where did you save it?
Yeah, that's where it was. Minecraft's Dark Boys. Is it just the zip file? Can we just pack MC meta? How do you use this?
I don't know what kind of. Where's Windows when you need it? It tells you what kind of file this thing is looking for.
Yeah, let's see. How do you actually install this texture pack?
What does ChatGPT say?
Good call. Good call. Always ask chat. All right. How do I install a resource pack that I downloaded from Planet Minecraft? It should be a .zip file. Launch
Okay.
Minecraft. Open pack folder. Opens resource packs. Move the zip file into that folder. Ah, okay, cool. So I already lost. I lost that. Okay, so open pack folder. Here's resource packs. So we. Oh man, where? Take the zip file. I'm curious. Do we have to zip it up, or can we just do this? Incompatible. Made for an older version of Minecraft. No.
No.
Wow.
What if? Okay, but
Mods
that
also have versions. Okay.
that's good to know. You can just drag it though. What if you do the zip version? Oh, well, it was made for an older version, but we can still do it. So I don't want to upload the. I'm just gonna do the unzipped version because then we can modify it directly from here, I think, and hopefully see our updates happen. So let's do this. Yes. I assume what this is doing is if this texture pack has opinions on what blocks should look like, it'll use them. Otherwise, it'll fall back to the default. But I'm new to this, so let's see here. This video still looks the same, but if we go to single player texture pack maker, we should come up with a good name for our texture pack maker. By the end of the stream, we have to have a brand. Okay. No way.
Nice. And
It's,
this like superimposes over all the elements of Minecraft. Nice.
So the grass is all old, but the blocks look new. So
Yeah, that's true.
dude, that HD wood. So I put us in creative mode so we can look at all the blocks. So there's like
That's what she said. What's the age restriction for this stream?
What a fool. This is kids appropriate. We will not use. YouTube asks us if our videos are appropriate for kids. I'm going to say this one is, so, and we'll edit out that comment. Okay, so this is hilarious how lazy this texture pack creator was, because like most of the blocks here, like this wool block is completely the base Minecraft. Well, like look how pixelated that is. But the grass is 5. So I think this is 32 by 32 pixels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nah, it's 16. 16 by 16. Whereas these blocks are 512 by 512 resolution. So they obviously just look so much better. The sky is still... yeah, a better texture pack would probably have more. Okay, but cool. This is great. This is great. So let us try modifying now the blocks. So we'll go to assets, Minecraft, textures, block, and maybe look for like grass. So that's a grass block. What about like, this is the top of a grass. Let's do leaves. Can we like, sorry, going back to the game. What do the leaves look like? So here's a tree. There's like, oh, this is actually really nice. Okay, so there's a few different kinds of leaves, so we'll have to find the texture that looks like this one.
Okay.
So, and then we'll modify that one and see if we can get it to change how it looks in the game. That looks maybe it. Let's see.
Yeah, that's it.
Is it the same?
Yeah, it is the yeah.
I'm gonna rename this and see if it like breaks it. So there's an underscore there. Back to game. Options.
Does it load it like live somehow?
I would assume no. So do that and then. It's still there. Was an underscore not enough, or is this just not the right? Is it birch leaves? No. Mangrove leaves, oak leaves.
Oh, maybe
Spruce
it's the oak.
leaves.
Maybe it's the oak leaves.
Let's see. Let's
Check
Let's
the
get
oak
all the
leaves again.
leaves, every single leaf. No, and on a Mac, how do I like search this directory? Search block. There we go.
Yeah. There was a setting. I don't remember.
I feel
They're all
like
the
it's
same,
one of these
really.
bigger leaf textures. Let's try.
Yeah.
Let's try oak leaves
Yeah.
and spruce leaves. Oh, I don't think it's spruce leaves. That doesn't look big enough.
I think it's oak leaves.
Okay. So that should be broken. So let's try. I'm hoping this will make it just like fall back to the. So yeah, here's the original leaves.
Okay.
But let's put this back. Oh yeah, these are okay. Dang, this texture pack it's so incomplete. Look at that sheep. Oh, that's a pig. It's a golden pig.
Wow.
All right. So, okay. This is actually awesome because now we know what this leaf block is. So now we can like drop and replace whatever texture we want. And there's a very particular texture I want to use for these leaves.
They all look like the lambda.
SageMaker.
AWS lambda.
Bring up
Just little lambdas going everywhere.
Yeah, I know. Like, we can have the lambdas be dirt. All right. Okay. SageMaker icons.
No, but they look like a leaf stem.
Download PNG.
They're not green, Hassam.
Like flip the lambda and it's just leaves everywhere. Leaf.
Oh, dude, I'm actually so excited for this. Okay, what's the path of that? Okay, options, video settings. No. Options, resource packs, open pack folder. Copy the path. Oh, this is cool on Mac. If you hold down Option, you can copy as path name, so you can get the path. So.
Oh, nice.
So now I can do Command Shift G in here, and I can actually paste the path.
Wow.
So oak.
I'm gonna remember that. Command Shift G.
Oak leaves.png.
Command Shift G. Why Command Shift G?
I think it's go. G is for go.
Go.
Yeah.
Okay. Because you're trying to a path, not like a. Nice.
Yeah.
I remember. I'll remember these as well.
So did we get oak leaves? Wait, I actually lost. Put it here. Put it in block. And then was it just? I think it was just oak underscore leaves.
Yeah.
All right, save. Okay. So now in here, let's see, resource packs, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Oak leaves. All right. Let's see if this works. We might have to like change the resolution or something, but I don't know. We'll see. So do that, and then do that.
Are these names like these oak leaves, spruce leaves? Are they can you not have different names? Or
I think there's certain paths that the Minecraft game is looking for, and so anyway.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks that way.
Wow! Wow! This is crazy.
That's actually I can't believe this worked. Also,
can you zoom out and take a screenshot?
it looks so bad.
Yeah.
Destroy
Oh,
stage
dude. I bet we can we can put these down ourselves. So now we can go like all of our architecture diagrams from now on we should build in Minecraft.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, that'd be crazy.
That is
Okay.
true.
So I don't know why they're tinted so green. I mean, maybe there's like an effect that the Minecraft code is like applying to leaf blocks to make them greener or something.
Maybe, yeah.
I hope not. Let's do lambda.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So we'll go to here. Lambda. Dude, you can literally just download the PNG. This is crazy.
Yeah, it's cool. I have the whole icon pack on my Mac.
Very, very impressive. Let's see. It's like dirt. I'm looking for like grass dirt block. I want to do the sides of the dirt blocks, make them lambdas. So let's see, grass block side is what this is. So let's underscore that. And then save ye ol' lambda here as grass block side. So let's clear some of this off. All right. So I wonder, do I have to, if I open this up, we actually have to change something every time. I wish it'd be nice if there was like a refresh button. Maybe there is. I just don't use it.
Re-render or something.
Wow.
Yeah, okay, that works.
Wow.
Dude, I feel like
The world of
it's in there.
lambda.
Oh my god, lambda's into the ground.
It's in the grass.
I feel like this is just so representative of what it's like to work with AWS solutions architects, where it's just like, if there's anything you can't do, they're like, oh, add a lambda there. Like, lambdas are just everywhere.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
That's true.
Oh, dude. This is too good. Wow, some of the grass is new and some isn't. Okay. Oh, I love that so much. So what's our next step now that we know we can do this? Start making our Minecraft texture pack maker.
Yeah. By coding.
I mean, we almost don't even need a program for this because it's so easy. You just go into this asset folder and swap out images. So like if we made a program, all I would do is write images to a folder like that.
The original idea was you go into the UI and for every type of texture you make you use pixel editor to create a texture, right? And then
right, and the kids might want that, so we should do it for the kids.
For the kids.
Let's see, what is the resolution of these? I can't tell.
Not bad.
It's high though.
I mean, yeah. I can see it on my screen like pretty clearly.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, at the end of this, let's make an architecture diagram for our for our CD. Like, we have a website that
okay, yeah.
We built a whole full stack app that you can use to start and stop Minecraft servers from a UI. Like you can log in and you can like start and stop a Minecraft server. Like we should make this architecture diagram in Minecraft at the end of this.
Yeah.
That's really
cool.
crazy.
All right. Okay, so I guess that was chapter 1. How do we do a texture pack? So now chapter 2 is designing our UI. So let's mock this up in Excalidraw real quick.
Yeah.
So we know what we're doing, and then we'll start making this in React. Let's see.
Nice. I missed some of the initial planning.
All right, where
The
is
master secret plan?
Sorry, I gotta like open up my repo for my diagrams. One sec.
The OG content repo.
The like background blur here is so weird.
Yeah, it doesn't actually
so rough.
blur through background.
Yeah.
Indeed. Everyone's wild on Cursor these days, but I'm actually having a great time in vanilla VS Code with GitHub Copilot.
Nice. Do you use like the agent mode thingy, or is that like used by default? Or like I never got the distinction between.
I haven't had great success with agent mode because I feel like it kind of just runs wild.
Yeah.
But maybe I've also put very little time into it. So, all right, let's see. We're gonna do Minecraft texture pack maker.
I've been like finding myself often just telling GPT like or whatever model, what do like senior level engineers at big companies do when they face this problem, and it gives me something like more, best practice for some reason.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
How do I act like a senior engineer, please?
Exactly. I need to fake it till I make it, GPT.
Okay, sharing my screen again.
Gummy bears for the kids.
Okay, let's start chapter 2 of this series. Design. Let's design our UI. So, there are textures, which actually, hey, we don't even have to mock these. We can literally just put them in the UI. Boom. So, got a couple of these.
Nice, and they're PNG files.
Yep, they are. So, what's our interface going to look like for our texture pack maker? I liked what the other tool did with the sidebar, and they had like all the blocks and stuff you could modify. Let's see. So like blocks, and then I hate the scrawly font. Blocks, and then like grass side, so on. And they had another one for like mobs and particles, I think. Mobs are like the animals, like pigs and stuff. I don't really feel like I want to make a whole thing for that. I mean, it might not be that hard. If we can have an editor that lets you edit any files, it's probably not so bad to do mobs and particles. So the editor they showed like the old version and then the new version side by side, which would not be that hard to show. Minecraft grass block side. So yeah, we could show the original and the new one side by side. And maybe you could draw on this one or something. I like the idea of this because at least it tells you, like, it helps you understand like what it is you're trying to draw right now. So we could do like a little pixel editor thing here. For our AWS one, I want the ability to like drag and drop our images on top of this. Just be like, please use this. And maybe it does some automatic resizing, or maybe it doesn't. So some basic image editing capabilities. If someone's already built a React component for that, that'd be pretty nice. would we want to be able to see all the textures side by side? Like oh yeah, actually, what if we copied the AWS icons page and just like had a view with all these blocks, and if you wanted to click on one, you click into it, and now you're editing it.
What edits would you want to make in the icons?
You well, for a Minecraft texture pack, you'd want to be able to just draw your own grass side, draw your own grass top.
So we are also giving the option to, like, on the left side you have the current block, whatever.
Yeah.
And on the right side you can either draw or paste an image.
Pretty much. Yeah.
Okay.
So like maybe we get rid of the sidebar, or maybe we keep the sidebar. I don't know. Sidebar or not, maybe we have two separate pages, like one page like this where you can just search like these guys have and pick a block that you want to edit, and then another page that's like the editing page. So page 1, page 2.
There could be a block on the right side of the screen, like a toggle block where you can search for the icons, like similar, like how we have in the VS Code with the GitHub Copilot cursor, where you can chat on the right side. Similarly, yeah. So it could be a single page application. On the left side, you have your file explorer view. On the middle, you have your these two sites for editing the block and the current block. And on the very right side, you might have a search block, like where you can search the icons.
I got lost. You're saying, so you said 3 blocks show up on screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, basically on the left side you have your file explorer. Yeah, 3 sections basically.
So
yeah,
we'll call this like reference block.
Yeah, there is reference block, then there is your current block, whatever, new block. Yeah, or mod, whatever, modified block. And,
yeah.
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, and then on the right side you have another sidebar, like a section in the UI, which you can toggle on and off.
That looks like this.
Where you can search the icons and drag and drop the icons.
Why would you want to drag and drop these icons? Oh yeah. Like I'm saying, like this tool isn't just going to be for making texture packs that looks like AWS icons. What the tool will be for is just like how to just make an arbitrary texture pack. So like,
you can, but we are also giving it an option to add AWS icon packs like out of the box. So
like include your own as kind of like Excalibur has this library thing.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Lol. Do I have no libraries? I do have libraries. I just don't have it set up with this. Yeah. We could do that. I mean, that is a bit more work. So I would say let's call this the MVP.
Yeah.
And maybe we literally just start with an editor for a single block, and we add the sidebar later, and then we add this at the end for like the various, like a Minecraft block browser kind of thing.
Yeah.
And then I guess this could show base blocks, but we also might want to have a drop down that allows you to show your texture packs too. Like maybe there's a drop down where I'm like my AWS texture pack and my hand drawn texture pack. So you can like maybe change all these icons all at once to be the ones that you made.
So we will have like multiple texture packs per user?
Yeah, and it'll only be single user. Like I guess I should talk about the architecture too now. So like there won't be any infrastructure whatsoever. This will all be pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it'll all run in the browser. And Excalibur actually runs in the browser, and it saves your diagrams in local storage. So if you open up a new browser or a new computer, you don't have your diagrams. And if you ever accidentally empty your browser cache, you also lose all the diagrams you've ever made. So like, it won't have amazing support for what am I trying to say? It won't have amazing support for saving stuff online, but it at least is an easy editor that you can just use straight in your browser, and you don't have to install anything to use it.
Yeah.
Got you.
That would be great.
And so I guess if we're going to say that too, then at some point we might want to add like an import capability. Like maybe you import an already made texture pack that you want to like riff on. Yeah, but I think we'll start with just like single export or something. So yeah, let's like think about some of the behind the scenes backend stuff. So local storage. So keep all the default Minecraft icons in the site so that we can display the defaults to the user. Record any edits that users make. And also, like store any edits that users make. Allow users to dump these edited block files to a single file. So like download one PNG at a time. Or bulk export, which creates an entire zip folder that is an installable texture pack. I think we can do this. So maybe we start with this first, like just this portion, referencing custom, and see if we can get an image editor thing working.
Yeah.
Cool. That was the design. That's chapter 2. Let's move on to chapter 3, which is setting up a boilerplate project. So let's do that. Let's open up the old terminal. 1 second. All right. Okay, here. All right. Make deer. This will be. What should we name this thing?
MLOps Club Minecraft.
I mean, MLOps Club is already MC, so like.
MLOps spec editor.
I think putting our name in it just makes it confusing. Like I don't know, like Minecraft texture pack maker. MC texture editor. MC's MLOps Club, you know, so that can be kind of a.
And that's also Minecraft. If you think about it, Minecraft. And MLOps
exactly. Club. It's almost like we knew when we made our brand. Okay. I don't think anyone has taken this name. MC Texture Maker. Wait. Is that what I said?
No, it's editor.
No, we said editor. People have said maker, they've said creator, but have they said editor?
No.
Maybe not. Possibly no. So. Okay, sweet. This is going to be a startup. Okay, MC texture editor, awesome. Code, good. So my plan for this is I hear that the cool kids in React land these days are using Vite.js instead of create React app, maybe. So Vite.js TypeScript. As like
create app in React has been like deprecated or something. I heard recently.
I was never smart enough to know like how you eject from create React app. I do remember create React app was like super opinionated and locked you in, but I also was never I was never like an advanced enough React developer that I knew what other opinions I'd want anyway.
Yeah, me neither. I just know from like a Theo video.
Okay, getting started. They should probably React TS. Yep. Wait, no, we want to just npm create.
Oh, it's Vue.
Well, they're
Okay.
using a Vue template, but we're going to use React TS. Okay, yeah. Oh, but we don't want to use npm. We want to use pnpm, which is basically the UV of JavaScript land, except, wait, you do bun? Okay. I didn't think these two were package managers. I still don't think bun and Dino are package managers, but pnpm is a package manager. So
I don't think Bun and Dino are package managers. Yeah.
I think they're runtimes. All right, pnpm create Vite my Vue app template view. All right. Let's just. Do I have the pnpm command? pnpm. I do not. Okay, brew install pnpm. Homebrew no auto update equals 1. Okay. All right. pnpm. What is it? pnpm run. pnpm create Vite.
Is it Vite or White? How do you pronounce it?
I feel like I've heard Vite.
Yeah.
Hopefully this is enough. Let's just do template. React, yes. Okay, MC texture editor. Oh man, we have a folder in a folder. That's not what I wanted at all.
Just copy paste everything outside it. Yeah.
Burn. Okay.
Maybe there's a okay.
pnpm run dev. Oh, well, pnpm install. Look how fast that install was. On a cold cache, no less.
True.
Hey, we have a project. Count to 0.
Nice. Wow, that is impressive.
You spam the counter.
Yeah. Okay. Well, now that we have a project going, I mean, I feel like we can start vibe coding. Although, in order to not have cursor ruin 6 months of work, we should probably make this a Git repo.
To get it, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's see. What have we got here? I assume, yeah, they have a git ignore, so I assume that we're good to just do git add all, and it's not gonna wreck us here. So the plan is git commit feat. Always got to do our conventional commits. All right, we're committed. Okay, cool. So let's get to vibe coding. Chapter 4, vibe coding. So like, where do we even start?
Can you give a screenshot to the Copilot and say, hey, this is what I want to build? Can you?
Yeah, you could do that actually.
Yeah. Honestly, I've never done that. Let's try it. Let's just go all in. Source folder. Okay. Hello. I want to make a Minecraft texture pack editor. Can we grab the Minecraft base assets? It'd be nice if we could put those in our thing as the base. And I have looked into the rights, like the licensing restrictions for Minecraft textures before. I think they're pretty liberal about people using the textures as long as you're not doing it for commercial use. And we're not. This isn't for commercial use. We're letting people create their own texture pack. So this probably supports Minecraft and Mojang more than anything. So
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a sketchy website. It's CurseForge. But
Oh, you have to check the version, like which Minecraft version you are on.
yeah, that's a good point. We might want to make our app like be version aware, but you know, I mean, that's a later thing. Okay, let's go to repos, MC texture editor. And I think that, yeah, let's just put it in assets here. Save. Sick. Let's unzip this doggy. src, assets, unzip, star.zip. Okay. Nice. Atlases. Whoa, there's a lot here. Blocks. Textures. Wow, yeah, there's fonts and there's the map and there's whoa. I want to see entities. Okay, cool. Bear. Polar bear. Look at that. That's a bear.
How is it a bear?
It's the sprite sheet for the bear. So like this is the front and this is probably all stuff in the head.
Yeah.
So and the Minecraft's written in Java, so the Java program just kind of knows the coordinates of each of these things and like assembles it onto a 3D model.
Nice.
So nice. Let's look at our favorite leaves. Oak. Leaves.
They have so many texture packs. Wow.
Oh, dude, this is the texture for oak leaves, and it's black and white. But in Minecraft, it shows up as green, which means the Java code is applying a green tint to this. So that would explain why the SageMaker icons had a green tint.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Wow. I mean, you're definitely a Minecraft expert.
Mysteries.
Okay,
solved.
like these golden things, how does it decipher between where to put the green tint and where to not? Fancy Java stuff. Yeah.
I guess it's written in the Minecraft code itself, maybe.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You know, part of me wants to just like give this image to ChatGPT and have it copy theirs. Oh, they have tabs, dude. That's actually really nice. Yeah, I mean they clearly thought about this. Oh, and they have a button to like launch Minecraft and show the texture. That's actually pretty cool.
They're serious.
I think Minecraft is a Java executable, and so like I wonder if this is actually just running in like the Java CLI launcher command, and which makes me wonder if you can pass like a argument to that command, which does the texture pack. We probably can't do that in a browser, so this is. But I don't know. Maybe we can. Maybe there's a way we can have the browser have you like grant permission for the browser to run commands or something. I assume no, but you know. So there. Yeah, they have quite a nice text editor. Nah, we'll just keep ChatGPT with ours. All of the block assets in Minecraft are in src, assets, Minecraft, textures, block. star.png. These should be used as reference blocks for the user. To the right of the reference block, we want to show a canvas that allows the user to paint pixel art in a 16 by 16, 32 by 32, 64 by 64, 256 by 256, or 512 by 512 pixel grid. Please start by recommending a React component library that we can use to show this pixel editor window.
It's always good to ask it to plan first as well.
That's maybe I should have used the word plan. This is kind of a plan because we're just doing an ask right now, not edit, and we're asking it to recommend something. I don't know. We'll see. But maybe my prompting's not advanced enough.
No, it should be fine. Which model is this one?
GPT 4.1.
Ah, okay.
They haven't added Claude 4. Yeah, it's fine.
Cloud 4, yeah. 4.1's also good.
Have you read the reviews for Claude 4 or the latest Claude models?
I haven't used it personally, but
Yeah, me too.
not enough at least. But I used 3.5 and it was great.
Yeah.
All right, well, that's thinking. Let's go over to ChatGPT as well. I had a thread earlier with ChatGPT where I was asking about this. Pixel editor, simple pixel art editor in React. Let's see. It just occurred to me, are we streaming in 1080p? Yes, we are. Okay, good. Pixel editor. This has like barely any weekly downloads. Pixel editor. Maybe just an image editor. React image editor component.
Wow, I can't hear you guys. Can you hear me? Can't hear you. Oh,
Yeah, no. Can you hear me?
oh yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah.
I wasn't talking. Wasn't talking before.
Uh, did it give you something, or is it Eric? I can't hear you. No, can't hear you.
Eric is frozen for sure.
What about now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now we can hear you.
Oh, weird. This is kind of an important decision, like what pixel editing component we use, because like, the app is going to be based on this.
Mm-hmm.
So I feel like we do want to grab something off the shelf.
Yeah.
This one looks cool, but does it have editing?
Yeah, I think it's got freehand draw. This one's trusted by the world's leading companies. I mean, Apple and IBM use it.
But where is the freehand draw? Okay.
Online demos. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Should have opened this in a new tab. Okay. Well, that is a pretty place. Let's see. Can we... This is the source. Wow, that is a very short file. So here's the JSX or TSX. Image editor component. It's literally all inside of an image editor component. Dude, that's cool. Okay, back to the demo. Freehand draw. Pen. It's funny. It's like limited in how big you can make it. Okay. Well, something like, yeah, go ahead.
How would you edit a Minecraft mod? Like, if you have to, like, yeah, how would you edit it? Like, would you just use the pen? Because I feel like this interface is not ideal for a Minecraft.
It's not like, I would want like a pixelated grid with snapping pixels. I feel like that helped me.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, I mean, and you could use other image editor programs like Adobe Illustrator or Affinity Designer or Photoshop and stuff, and those will have really good image editing capabilities. So like, I don't think it's a huge deal that it's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
You can zoom in, right? You can zoom in. Oh, and there's undo functionality. Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, but it only goes so far back. That's funny. I think this might be fine. Oh, it's got add image. That's pretty compelling. Let's do our Minecraft Zelda image.
Nice. Seems like it adds it in its own aspect ratio, in its original aspect ratio, I guess.
Yeah, can we make it a square? Link coding while he dreams of retiring. Yeah, it's
layers, maybe.
That's crazy. It's definitely it's kind of a confusing interface, but let's see. Can save it. Let's see how far we can get with this. I guess I don't know what all options we can customize here, but like, let's see, send backward. Dang, it supports layers. That's unreal. Cropping. Let's see, 256. Oh, that's locked, so it maintains the aspect ratio. Okay. Okay, yeah. This is decent. This is good. So let's see if we can get this this component to show up side by side. What options can you pass into the component? Let's see, what properties. Okay. So you got file, the input image file to be edited. We could have this be chosen by like a different file picker, so that this would support our file choosing interface nicely. Allow zoom, allow drawing, download on save. Yep. Okay. Open whether the photo editor modal is open. Okay. On close, on save image. On save image, we could potentially persist this to local storage right then.
Yeah.
Canvas width, canvas height, labels. I think. Is there anything else we would want out of the editor? Like, I guess we want to be able to show the default image. Maybe we just default that as like a layer in the back, and that's what you get. Like, when you start out, you just get the default image there, and you can draw on top of it. So, yeah, okay. So on open, we'll either open yours or we'll open the default image if you haven't provided one. And then when you save it, we'll save like this to like a custom place in local storage, something like that. This seems fine and decent. So, let's do it. So you go pnpm install this React Photo Editor. Or oh wait, is it pnpm add actually? Yeah, pnpm list. Our dependencies are React, React DOM, React Photo Editor. Cool. Fairly nice and lean dependencies so far. Oh, it did end up recommending us. Okay, that's not real. All right, I like our choice. Okay. Let's do this.
There is this React component called dotting, which is pixel art drawing component.
That is cool.
I mean, I think this is something that you might find interesting. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at their GIF in the GitHub page. I sent it in the chat. Stream chat. That's cool. Yarn at dotting.
Just doing a little bit of cleanup here. All right. Now I think I just want to commit to the one we just found because we've already spent a lot of time on it.
Yeah.
Unless, well, actually, yeah. Do you want to send it on the chat? Okay. Oh, you did. Good. Okay. I'll pull it up and let's take a look. Dotting. Okay. Cool. That's good. Dotting, width, height, component props, width, height, style, grid stroke is grid visible, edit layers, brush color, indicator data. I feel like, okay, the ref object must be used to find these hooks. Okay, yeah, I feel like this might be difficult to use because we would have to take these raw images and convert them to pixels and somehow provide that to dotting.
Yeah.
If they even allow that, honestly.
I forgot that we are trying to edit an existing image, not create a new one. So yeah.
Well, cool.
Maybe with enough vibe coding, we can combine.
Yeah. Okay, please. Okay, let's reset the boilerplate app. app.tsx. We got this. Let's delete all this. And that. And this. So now we have an empty slate to start with. We don't need app.css. We don't need index.css. Yeah, okay. So let's just run this and see. Just make sure our app still goes.
Yeah.
Oh no, why is it?
There is a package.json.
Something seems to have happened where. All right, let's try this.
Oh wait, I'm not muted. Sorry.
Okay, blank page.
Nice.
Good. Nice.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Get at all, get status.
Refresh your video, Amit. It's like frozen. Try to.
Oh, I'm frozen. How do I unfreeze myself?
I don't know.
Maybe turn off your video and turn it back on.
That's weird. Unable to access camera. Wow. Yeah. Back.
I was about to commit all these assets. And that's a terrible idea.
Yeah, it looked weird. I thought it would be ignored.
9,586.
I mean,
Oh, sorry. It's a custom folder.
we're gonna need a lot of these assets to be baked into the app. So yeah, this is all. I mean, that's fine. I'm not worried about the JSON files. But these images though, that's probably the bulk of it. But yeah, I'm just gonna commit them all.
We can ignore PNGs, I guess.
Well, no, we want to bake them into our app so we display them.
Oh yeah, you're right. For the icon search, for the
Very
icon view.
dependency for sure. I mean, we could put them into CDN, but I mean, the way we're planning on deploying this app, we could always extract them into a CDN later. Let's see.
Yeah.
Get status. Pipe that into word count on lines. 9,590 files. That's a lot.
That's a lot.
Let's see. Added. Cool. We have ourselves a boilerplate project. So we're good to. So what is that? So chapter 4 was like start vibe coding. So I guess now we actually have to do the vibe coding part. So really chapter 4 was like, let's pick an image editor component. So now chapter 5, let's start vibe coding with the image editor component. Was it React Photo Editor that we got?
Yeah.
No, it was React Image Editor. Right?
They're different.
Yeah, React Image Editor. Yep. Okay, keep it source. This is kind of crazy that I'm giving it source because assets is so gigantic. So this might be a bad decision, but we are going to use this React component. Please create an instance of this component and let's see, in the app.tsx.
Bless you.
Thanks. All right, may the vibes begin. I literally just created an instance. That's incredible. The import statement. I mean, hey, small changes at a time. So, can't find Syncfusion or its corresponding declarations. Let's see, PNPM list. Oh, it was React Photo Editor. Oh.
Oh yeah.
I'm a fool. This is React Photo Editor. Wait. Which I'm losing track of which one was which. This one was Syncfusion. Let's see. No, it was React Image Editor. So I installed the wrong one. So no, I don't want the whole thing. All right. PNPM remove React Photo Editor. PNPM add this one. Okay, cool. Now it works. Great. PNPM run dev. Come on. This application was built using a trial version of Syncfusion Essential Studio. To remove the license validation image permanently, a valid license key must be included. No. What is this? A 30-day trial? I mean, what a bummer. The pricing. Oh, wow. I don't want to pay that for a free app.
Whoa.
What's in the community license? There, on the same page. Yeah.
Companies and individuals with less than $1 million USD gross revenue. I mean, if MLOps Club makes $1 million, then I'm happy to pay for this. Although I would just put this under its own company, the Minecraft texture editor company. Like, okay, claim your free license. All right. I'll claim the dang license. I don't know what is going to show on screen, so I'm going to stop sharing for a bit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it does. Let me check. Yeah, there's a QR code in the stream.
Nice.
It's above my head.
It wants a phone number. Google Voice is amazing. Like you can have junk email addresses, but with Google Voice, you can have junk phone numbers too.
Uh-huh.
And
Oh yeah.
it's pretty great.
Wow.
Okay, boys. I think I'll drop.
Sweet. Thanks for hanging.
Oh sure. Good luck.
See you.
Hope I like to see something awesome deployed soon.
Nice.
That's
Catch you
our
later,
motto.
Hassan. Bye.
Catch you later, boys. Good luck.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, it's asking us if we're going to publish our project as open source, and if so, it wants a GitHub URL. So I'll make a new repository for this.
So many things. It's,
Yeah. That's okay.
yeah. I mean, that's weird.
Oh, it wants my personal LinkedIn profile.
What?
I mean,
Oh man.
I actually think that's a very reasonable thing to ask for these days. Okay. Thank you for submitting your request for a free community license. We have received your application and created a ticket with this reference number. We will validate your request in the next 48 business hours, and we'll get back to you with the status of your application as soon as possible. In the meantime, we send you an email containing a 7-day trial key for Essential Studio. Please check your inbox for further instructions and the key.
That's good.
Okay, I got the key. So is this, I mean, if we're using a license key, this feels like the kind of key that you actually do want to commit in code. Like especially, and it's a front end, like where else could you put a license key like this? Like,
Isn't there an environment variable sort of things in front end?
in the browser? No.
No.
I mean, how sensitive is this key? It's like the worst people can do with it if they get it is use Sync Fusion. So let's see.
You want to run this in the browser. What does ChatGPT say?
You can ask. I'm working on following their instructions real quick.
Let's see.
wants me to install an installer onto my Mac. I've never used a paywalled library before, so it's feeling a little bit complicated, so I may just go back to the photo editor.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the photo editor may be fine.
Yeah, I mean, anyways, it is sort of a POC project, so people can do a drop-in replacement of their own photo editors if they want.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, cool. It's an important decision that we're making right now, so I mean, it's good that we're taking the time to get it right. So.
Yeah.
Okay, what are we doing? We are gonna go back to screen sharing here. All right, PNPM remove EJ2 React image editor. Who wants the full namespace? Okay, sync fusion. PNPM add this one. This is good. Free software. I'd rather use this. Okay, yeah, React Photo Editor, NPM. Change of plans, we are going to use this component. Please use it instead. It's like struggling to resolve. Is that... Are there instructions on how to use this thing? Let's go to their demo.
Quick start.
Okay,
From
let's have it use this.
Oh,
Here is their quick start. All right, added a whole bunch of stuff. Let's take a look at this. So the import is more correct. We've got some state for setting the current file, I guess, and showing the modal. Okay, I'm not sure what the modal actually is. Let's forget all this stuff for now and just look at the JSX. So open. Oh, is that just a Boolean whether or not to show the modal? Okay. So it starts out as false. So if you click this button, then the modal, I guess, is going to pop up. Okay. What file is this? It's either file or it's undefined, and I guess it starts out as undefined. So we start out by passing in an undefined file with the modal not showing. We open the modal, guessing that we still don't have a file, and we can do save image. So, okay, let's try this. PNPM run dev. All right, choose file. That's cool. Oh, that's awesome, actually. Let's see. So choose file is... Where's this choose file button? Okay. Set file data. So it's a change event HTML input element. Event.target.file. So this just, I guess this is just a browser API thing. Well, that's cool. So I guess this just returns like a file path or more, or multiple if we selected one. So where's our assets? Let's see. Let's do. Copy path or copy full path. So let's grab an asset here. Let's go with acacia planks. Edit. Oh, wow. Zoom, 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 zoom. Wait. How do we zoom? Please let us zoom. It's such a tiny little image. Oh no.
Tiny app. Man.
What options do we have here? There's allow zoom, but what's like the...
Is it modal height width?
So this thing here is the modal. I mean, we could make the modal shorter. I mean, I don't love that this even is a modal, you know? Like, I want it to just be embedded in the app.
Yeah.
But I mean, if we use this component, a lot of the wrapper logic around this component doesn't like, if we decide that we don't like this photo editor component and we want to switch to another one, I think a lot of the other logic that we write, like making a file browser and all that stuff, wouldn't be such a big deal.
Yeah.
So. Well, let's Google for photo editing components one more time.
I think there should be an option to. Okay, let me check. Was it image photo editor? Or
It was React photo editor. Yeah. I thought this would be easier. I thought that there would be like an abundance of image editing components.
Is it the canvas like the canvas size that is small right now? There is a canvas option.
All right, trying that. I just bumped it down to 64 on both.
Oh, I saw that size was bigger a bit.
Okay.
You see, there's a window, small window, in which the scheme is.
Yeah. So. $32 by 32. That's smaller. Okay, what if we do
512 by 512?
Oh, it's way bigger. I mean, the controls are really weird. If I grab it and drag, it does this.
Wow.
I don't understand. It's so blurry.
Yeah. Is the problem of, I think this might be the problem of the library, the way it's loading the image. I mean, it might not be loading it in full resolution.
It's really weird. Yeah, it's like I think it's applying some kind of blur effect.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, that was a good call. Good find for canvas height and width.
Mhm.
Let's keep looking. All right, I'm gonna try Toast UI, React Image Editor. All right. All right.
It's giving a red signal.
I hoped the link would work, but
Mm-hmm.
did not. The import is failing. Oh no. Why is that not doing it? Does it not have types?
You try running the app. If it fails. It failed.
I mean, it might be running.
Can you try adding it once again?
I will. I want to look a little closer at the docs.
Has it added the requires thing? Requires TUI image editor.
This here.
Yeah, the first line. Yeah.
This is for CommonJS, whereas we're using ECMAScript.
Yeah, the first import. Has it applied the first import?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it has.
I'm confused.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we definitely did this. Let's see. PNPM list. Yeah, we have this. And then their quick start does say to import like that. Is there an example app? I am going to clone this repo, I think. Use it as context for us.
Mm.
I have mixed success with this trick.
Is the import name different? Mm. Or is it not maintained?
Did it just generate this types file? No, don't do that. Well, this is a bummer because it seems to be a really popular tool. Ooh, it doesn't. They don't talk about types. And this is all JavaScript. So I don't know if they have type definitions for this.
Mm.
Okay. So let's try this. No, just because we disabled types doesn't mean it works.
Oh man. So, are they saying that this is only built for JavaScript, not TypeScript?
I mean, TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. So all valid JavaScript is supposed to
Mm.
be valid TypeScript. All right, that line was a fail. Huh, this is a real thing we have. Hmm. Do we need the CSS? Nice. An absolutely CS-less image editor.
I'm frozen again.
Well, this is awesome. I don't know how to open this. Okay.
Wow.
Choose file. Flanks. At some point, it's going to show up. I know it. Wow. Okay. So, like, this library, Toast UI, supposed to have CSS, and it just doesn't. Yeah, you're supposed to be able to go to image editor, dist. Is this in node modules? Toast UI. Yeah, let's try doing this. Toast UI, React image editor, dist, Toast UI. Oh, wait, no. Where's the CSS? Oh, no, it's not here. This doesn't come with a CSS file. I mean, if they want us to install it and use it, shouldn't it have that?
Yeah. Does their source code has?
Yeah, I mean, it would. So what if we just do the vanilla JS version? They should have it in like a, oh, here we go. Yeah. Okay. Here's their CSS file. I wonder if we can, in React, can you just import a link like this directly? That would be pretty cool.
Yeah.
Is that a thing?
I'm absolutely not aware about that.
Okay. Inspect.
There is this framework.
Okay. We can put this in the index file. Let's see. Source public. Will that work? Dude. Oh my goodness, just grasping at straws. This is jank. We're installing their JavaScript component, but then we're getting the CSS, which is a necessary dependency from like the header of the HTML file. But I mean, hey, if it works, it works. Planks.
It's tiny. I think the problem might be with how is the problem with image or the editor or the browser?
So I noticed that when I clicked on one of these images on my Mac, let's see. Like let me pull one up here. Assets. When I look at any of these in, oh no, that actually looks nice. But if we reveal it in Finder and click on it, now it's all blurry, I think. Okay, this isn't blurry, and yet this preview is blurry. So I feel like it's something that it seems like it's a blur that gets applied by default to small images. Yeah, is there a way we can turn off the blur? You can blur it even more. Dang, this is very non-triumphant.
Yeah.
Pixelate. Okay, well, since we have this, can we make the canvas bigger like last time?
Can we make the canvas?
It's not good. I have no auto completion in my editor because this React component doesn't have types.
Yeah, I'm looking. There is a UI size, but I think UI size is not same as the canvas size. Is it?
There's a UI size, which is not the same as the canvas size. I kind of doubt that they're the same thing.
Yeah.
Cool. CSX max width 1,000. We can actually make it default to this path. Okay, there it is. It's right there. It doesn't want to blow it up and show the pixels as giant. It wants to show it as a 16 by 16 pixel thing. So like we could scale it, but I think that's probably a bad idea. Well, it was a noble debugging effort. Let's do one last look at like just pixel editing components, and if we can't figure that out, then maybe we just call it. Pixel editing React component.
React Pixelify.
Well, how about we end on a high note and we just manually create a texture pack from AWS icons, and then we could get ChatGPT's help deciding which icon should map with which file names, and then run it and call it. So we could probably get that done in the next 20 minutes or so. So
yeah.
All right. Okay. Chapter 6. We give up. We don't make a React image editor, and we just make it ourselves. And maybe later, if someone could show us, if somebody knows a good component and wants to reach out to us, I think it'd be fun to pick this back up and actually finish it next time. So,
yeah.
But yeah, we definitely need some help getting a pixel editor component into a React app. Cool.
Totally.
All right. So let's do this here. AWS icons. Download 311 icons as PNGs. Sick. And then in VS Code, I'll go grab the like this folder here. Show in Finder. Oh yeah. I'll actually just put this thing into our project here. Extract that guy. Oh, funny. Okay, so we have them organized by the type that they're in. Okay, cool. All right, great. It's probably way more than we really need, but ChatGPT might have an easier time with this if we gave it the SVG files, because then it could like read the text. But that's okay. Let's just see how far we can get with just this. So I'm gonna take our assets here and copy them into a more root location. So new folder, AWS to MC.
Text. There's so many files here.
Yep. Okay, so we could do like we could just list these things. So ls png /* dot png. Was my, let's see. Okay, yeah, png star / star.png. Nope. Star. What about this? No, this is so hard. Okay, cd png. ls png **.png. I'm struggling. Is star not a thing?
I mean, no, it's still a single star.
There it is. Got it. Okay, so we have this. Please create a mapping from AWS icons to Minecraft blocks, to the most similar looking Minecraft blocks. This is a big. It's not that huge of a prompt. There's only 300 lines. Okay, so then for Minecraft, cd Minecraft. So it was textures, blocks. Yeah, okay. ls pb copy. Put the result in a JSON file. Probably should have said YAML.
Yeah. There's a new file.
Okay. QuickSight is glass. Redshift. Why is Redshift lapis? That's blue. API gateway is nether portal. What? AppFlow is bubble coral. Comparator. Make the colors match better. I don't like this mapping. At the end of the day, there's probably like this is art. You know, there's probably no way around just us going and picking, like cherry picking different blocks.
Yeah.
But it'd be nice if like at least if the colors were at least similar.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what it does with leaves. So this is only 91.
Yeah, it's not the full mapping.
Batch is gray concrete. Batch is orange. Bottle rocket, brown concrete. I don't think this is really saving us any time. I feel like this is just gonna create us like this massive just debt.
Compute think box. Wow, like look at the services name. Compute think box deadline. Compute think box. Wow, such niche services.
On LinkedIn, can you see the stream?
Yeah, I can. Okay.
Where do you see it?
It's in Lobs Club posts.
Oh, the page posts. Okay.
Yeah.
Our thumbnail is so hype, and our actual stream does not deliver whatsoever. We are the world's worst vibe coders. Okay, what is Sumerian? I'm afraid of the mappings that this is going to be. I don't think it's going to be a very good mapping at all, but
yeah.
Please write a Python script that copies the AWS images into a blocks folder with these names. Come on, man, use pathlib.
Oh man, you're struggling.
Let's see. Allow me to set a base path for the blocks directory output and another base path for the AWS icons directory. Oh, they already did. I'm a fool. Okay. Cool. So let's do blocks. This year equals that. Whoopsies. Okay, so it's going to take the mapping file and it's just going to move the AWS icons to the blocks. So
The path should be, what should be the path? It should be AWS to MC mapping dash mapping slash.
yeah, I want to put the script here. So now I want this to be,
Just put the case.
yeah, okay. So then this should be, blocks is fine. Blocks is fine. Okay, cool. Let's do this. We don't need UV here. We can literally just do Python. Maybe we can't.
You should use dash dash script or something.
UV init scripts, is that a thing?
No. UV run dash dash script or something like that. Like to run a single script.
Oh, nice. Copy. Okay. Oh, they still don't have file autocomplete on this. Sad day. Okay. Well, the colors are so off, but they're at least valid. So I think maybe if we had had the SVG version, it's possible that it would have been better. But let's just see how this does. Where's Reveal in Finder? I'm blind. There it is. Okay, so there's blocks. And this is like the actual resource folder. So I'm gonna
Dot back. Make
Yeah.
a back.
Yeah.
Then just copy paste the previous one.
And then we'll overwrite all these. This is gonna be so bad.
Oh my god.
Okay, Minecraft. Blocked by another running instance of Minecraft with 2.
Oh, one is running in the background.
All right.
Do we have something? Oh yeah, I saw a pink icon there.
No
Wow.
way.
What?
What are these?
Oh my god. Uh,
Um,
wow.
I want to go to the Nether and see. Let's see. Saved hotbars. Okay. Man, it's been so while. I don't remember if there's an easy way to get to the Nether. Oh, but actually, this lets us just see. So brown wool, red wool, orange wool, yellow wool. But the grass texture, I feel like we need it to be wilder. We need more. We need more of these textures to be overwritten in order for the whole game to be like covered.
Yeah.
What should watermelons be?
What should watermelons be? Ah. Yes. No. I mean, they're green. S3 is green. SageMaker is green. What else is green?
We need the mapping in the other direction. Let's see. Give it this. Make it so that every Minecraft texture maps to an AWS icon, even if there are repeats. Because I think it's the case that there are more Minecraft textures than blocks.
Mm.
All Minecraft blocks map to an AWS icon. Oh man, it's going. Ooh.
Will it produce 9,000? If it does, oh my god. Wow.
There's a lot of.
Look at the speed. Look at the speed. Crazy.
It's working. I mean, there's a lot of textures. There were like 9,000, weren't there?
Yeah. Wow, we have been streaming for more than 2 hours. That's awesome.
Yeah, we can hop off here when this is done.
How many did it do? I got
Wait, it started to get confused. Oh, it right here got confused. Only 300. No, that's not very many. Okay, let's try terminal again here. Something about the paths getting messed up. I'm just trying to reason about it.
I think it's the dictionary. If we reverse the dictionary, like we flip the key and value pair.
Yeah, but why? Let's see. But what are the consequences of that? I'm trying to see. So it says PNG 512 MC block AWS icon. Isn't that the order? MC block icon? Yeah.
I mean, at line 19 to 21, it's replacing. Like, we don't need to reverse it actually. We can just directly read it.
It should be. Yeah, you're right. Okay.
Um,
All right.
let's see.
Is it any better? The grass or these. I don't even know what this is.
Yeah.
A firewall. Is that a security group? What is that?
I have no idea.
What?
You have infected the world, Eric, with AWS.
I love this tiny little floating SageMaker and this.
And that's so cute. Bro, that's crazy.
It would be so much better if the names of the blocks were right.
Yeah.
I just love whatever this random gaming configuration service is. Oh, is this Kinesis? What is that? Oh, dude, that's amazing.
It's like a, I don't know, some ancient tomb. I don't-
Oh, these carpets. Oh, this is amazing. Wait.
You're laying down carpet. Oh no.
It rains carpet.
Oh my god.
Okay, what's TNT? Ah, TNT didn't get changed. What's in the ocean?
Nothing. Is there?
This ancient
Oh,
database node thing. Is that a graph DB? Is that Neptune?
looks like. I
I
this is some messaging service.
I feel like we need to make flashcards for the AWS icons and the services because I'm getting wrecked. Oh, that's so good. Oh, it's nighttime. Man, we could make all the spiders, like we could decorate them with. Like, what's your least favorite service on AWS? We could do that.
My least favorite service.
These little grasses.
Set web.
What's this? What's this?
Wow. Is this some kind of HTML?
It's a code thing. Is it code commit? I don't know. There's more of these code commit grasses. I think I may just go through this by hand and make a texture pack with every single Minecraft block. And that was kind of why I wanted a tool to help me so I could match up two sets of assets. But I mean, let's be real. How much is a tool really going to help with that?
Yeah.
Well, in conclusion, unless some friend of ours can recommend a good image editing component that we can use for this, I don't think the children are going to have a zero install Minecraft texture pack creator.
Yeah, do we also have GCP icon packs or Azure icon packs? We can mix all of
Oh, that would be so funny. Oh man, we could do different texture packs and keep the like. So let's say S3. So if you have S3, oh my gosh, dude, the grass should be S3. Come on, that'd be amazing. Okay, so if the grass is S3, then we could have a different texture pack, which is like the Azure version. That's like Azure Blob Storage is the grass, and so then you could have architecture diagrams, and you could change texture packs to
oh my god,
flip it to the different clouds. Dude, Minecraft is the ultimate diagram tool.
Oh my god. Oh, what? You're going into hell.
The lava. Oh, speaking of hell, we should go to the Nether before we call this. We have to know what's in the Nether. All right. Obsidian. I will do this tonight. I will create a Minecraft texture pack where I've like meticulously gone through the.
Oh my god, that's painful.
Okay, Flint.
Oh, let's try making MLOps Club. What just happened? Are you in some new dimension?
Yeah, we just went through a portal, dude.
Wow.
What is this service? What is it?
Oh my!
The Nether rack.
What was the orange one? Golden, whatever. Oh my god! What is?
This dimension is inhabited by these slime creatures.
These creatures are eating away the AWS services that should have never existed in the first place.
What is this data capture? What is it? Some kind of nether plant. I want to see if we can find like a. Oh, is this it? It's a nether fortress. It's API gateways. It's a whole fortress made of API gateways and these creatures.
Wow, we are working on a bridge made of API.
The skeletons own it.
Please don't take away
zombie
our
pigmen. Can we make the brightness bigger? There we go.
It's crazy.
I actually, because normally in the base Minecraft game, this is called Nether brick, so it's like a dark maroon brick, and I actually love that the fortress, which is a wall, is the API gateway. Like that's
Yeah, it's like yeah, it totally makes sense. It will filter everything coming into it. Man, good.
these little database grasses.
Um,
Oh, I love that. And these, I don't know. Let's see. Is this soul sand? What is this?
did we go into lava?
Yeah, we can swim. We can
Wow.
burn. Look at these little guys. I haven't learned what these guys are called.
Dude.
All right, this was hilarious and amazing. I commit to a round 2 where we do a much shorter video where we just show off our cool texture pack. And then, of course, we can get some cool footage of this, and we can start doing all of our architecture diagrams in Minecraft, which will just be just beautiful. So, oh wait! Look at the fence. Even the fence is little API gateways.
Wow.
Oh, dude.
This is great.
What's in the chest? Nothing. Okay. All right. I gotta stop myself. Okay. Well, if anyone watched the stream or even parts of the stream or this end of the stream, thank you for watching. I promise that our future streams will be much more productive and we'll have more insights to share. I feel like we spent most of this one just like moving images back and forth in Minecraft and looking for image editing components, which is super lame. So I don't think I'm going to recommend that basically anybody watch the stream except maybe the beginning where we showed how Minecraft texture packs work. But honestly, if we redo a video, I think we'll just re-explain that too. So thank you for joining. Catch you later.
See you guys around.